After I retired from the military and went into civil service, I met this lady that had a plot over in Pacific. Brought us over here.
Most of the trees you see in here, the individual gardeners planted them because this was an open lot when they first got here.
Gardening is stress relief. Connecting with Mother Earth, there's an energy factor that comes out of the earth, and it's a grounding for you, for your human body.
Nothing is bad here. It's very nice. I like this place. I really enjoy all the people in the garden.